I want to cut straight to the chase and share an opinion that a lot of people won't like to hear, and that is all day trading strategies are the same. That's right. Whether it's scalping or VWAP or Fibonacci or support and resistance, it doesn't matter. They all share one thing in common. They can all win and they can all lose. And here's the truth. Every strategy out there has made money for someone, and every strategy has lost money and blown up accounts. The difference isn't the strategy. The difference is you. The fact is, the market doesn't care about your strategy. It doesn't care about your indicators, your patterns, your lines on a chart. The market will do whatever it wants to do. The only thing you control is how you execute. If you're a beginner trader, brand new to trading, this is where a lot of people, I think, get lost. There's so much noise out there. There's all these gurus showing you their system, selling you courses that promise all these results, and it can be overwhelming. My advice is, especially starting out, keep it simple. Pick a strategy that makes sense to you and that you're comfortable with, and then paper trade it to death. Simulate trading. Never experiment with strategies and styles with real money. That's suicide. Run that strategy over and over, paper trading, until you get confident and consistent with it. And don't keep switching all these strategies just because the last couple of trades didn't work out. Here's the real secret about trading the market. It's less about the setup and more about the trader. It's about discipline, patience, risk management. You make the rules. And if you can't follow your own rules, there's no strategy in the world that's going to save you and make money for you. But if you can stick to your plan and manage your risk, almost any reasonable strategy will work out. It takes time and trial and error to settle into a style that you're comfortable with. So don't waste months or years searching for the holy grail strategy. It does not exist. The holy grail is you. Keep it simple and stay consistent. That's how you give yourself the best chance in this game. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe. And remember, the strategy isn't the secret. You are.